I'm Paul Clark, farm for Danroc. I'm the operations manager. It's a third-generation family business. We chose to partner with John Deere a little over 4 years ago, and we progressively started changing our entire tractor fleet, which was a Smarty Box at that point, to only John Deere's. Namely the 5090E, the 5075E and the 5055E. And we look to utilize those three models across all our properties for as many of our applications as we possibly can. The benefits have been dramatic. I can't share the exact numbers, but we originally went from probably 50 odd tractors to being doing the exact same job with less than 30 John Deere's. When you arrive in the morning, it starts. You don't require 2 tractors per driver to see which one's going to work today. The flexibility it's given us in our workshops. We have a set of filters, a set of spares that is viable across a multitude of tractors across all our different sections. We're currently sitting with a little over 50 John Deere tractors at this moment in time. We'll probably be closer to about 150 John Deere tractors within the next 10 years within our fleet. I'm excited about that, and I'm excited that we're able to keep as many of those as the same models as possible. Even our latest TLB we bought was a John Deere that has the same engine as the 5090. That flexibility, that continuity is paramount to our operations.